Your home is full of tech you count on every single day. But what happens when something goes wrong? Repair bills can be hundreds of dollars, and your manufacturer warranty, it doesn't cover accidents or wear and tear, and it doesn't last forever. That's where Hub Warranty's Consumer Electronics Warranty Insurance comes in. One plan, all your home devices, total peace of mind. Protection that goes beyond your manufacturer warranty, covering the devices your whole family relies on, from laptops and TVs to gaming, smart home, and smartphones. Choose Hub Care to protect your home office, entertainment, gaming, smart home devices, and wearables. Or upgrade to Hub Care Plus to add full smartphone coverage too. Both plans cover mechanical and electrical failures, normal wear and tear, and even accidental drops and spills on eligible devices. Devices up to 6 years old qualify. Filing a claim is simple. Go online at hub.mycoveragehub.com or call us Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time. Just make sure to get pre-authorization before any repairs, then document your claim and we'll repair your device, replace it, or reimburse you based on current market value. Up to $2,500 per claim and up to $5,000 per year. Don't wait until something breaks. Ask your Hub broker about consumer electronics warranty insurance today and keep your home tech protected.